Hello everyone, welcome to Brain Hive Academy, your one-stop for innovative workspace. On today's section, we're going to deal with Waec past questions and answer. As you view, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Now let's go straight to the point. From the board, we have Waec 2025. The example, the question is, express x in terms of R, A, P, Q, and B. In the formula, R is equals to square root of AX minus P over Q plus BX. So take solution. The formula is R is equals to square root of AX minus P is all over Q plus BX. We are asked to make what? We are asked to make X. That's express X, which is this X. Look at X. We have two X in numerator and the denominator. We are also make the X as what? The subject formula. So what do? We need to eliminate this square root. And eliminating this square root, we are going to take square of both sides. So you take square of both sides. So if we do that, we take square of R will be equals to square of AX minus P over Q plus BX in square. So this square can cancel this square root. So we can have this can cancel this. Therefore, we have R square will be equals to AX minus P over Q plus BX. So remember, what do? We're going to balance the equation to be in fraction, so we can divide R square over 1. So the both equation can be in the same format. So this is R square over 1 is same thing as R square. Anything divided by 1 is same thing by that number. So we can have this multiplied by this. So we have so R square will multiply by cross multiplication. If you cross multiply, we have this R square Q plus BX will be equal to 1 times AX minus P. So R times this will give us R square Q. R times this will give us R square BX. So it's equals to 1 times this will give you AX, 1 times this will give you minus P. So we collect like this. We collect like terms because we have X here, we have X here. So we collect like terms. We are going to have AX, moving this to join this AX will become minus R square BX will be equal to, we pick here, that is R square Q, moving this to meet R square Q become plus P. Therefore, remember we are looking for X. So what is the common factor here? We have AX minus R square BX. So the common factor here becomes what? X, because we have X here, we have X here. So therefore, we have A, that's X become the common factor. So we have A minus R square B will be equal to R square Q plus P. So we divide both sides by that. So we have divide both sides by the coefficient of X. So we have X will be equals to R square Q plus P over A minus R square B. So from there, we are asked to make what? X is subject of the formula. We do that. Arrow multiplied by this arrow square times q plus bx, which is this 1 times ax. So if we do that, we have arrow square times q, arrow square q, arrow square times bx give you arrow square bx is equals to 1 times ax, 1 times plus times minus is minus, 1 times p is p. You collect like terms, bringing the x together. So we have ax, taking this to meet ax become minus arrow square bx is equal to, pick arrow square q, then moving this to meet them become plus p. So therefore, we have a common factor here, which is x. So factor the x out, which we did as this x. So if ax divided by x will remain a, that's the ax divided by x. X can cancel x. We have only one a, that is this a here. Then minus this minus. So we have arrow square b x divided by, that is arrow square b bx divided by x. You can see this can cancel. We have only what? Arrow square b. That's why we had that. Bracket close is equal to this. So we have 1 times, that's arrow square q plus p. So therefore, we can see have this. But remember, we are looking for x. So if you divide both sides by coefficient of x, which is a minus arrow square b to both sides, which we did. So if you a minus RSB will cancel, give you 1, which is this x. So if you divide it by this, we have arrow square q plus p is all over a minus arrow square b. So this becomes the subject word. So that is x. Give you this. Thank you very much as you watch. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.